In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ChatGPT conversation link. If you've ever needed to show a teammate how you arrived at an answer, cite an AI-generated explanation in a document, or simply save a discussion for reference, sharing a ChatGPT conversation link is the quickest way to do it. Let's walk through it together, step by step, keeping things simple and clear. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for ChatGPT. You can use any major search engine. When the results appear, look for the official ChatGPT website by OpenAI. Make sure you're clicking the legitimate result and that the site is secure. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're in the right place. Next, sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on the chat interface. If not, enter your credentials and proceed. Signing in ensures you can access your existing conversations, which is essential for sharing the one you have in mind. Once you're in, head to the sidebar on the left. This is where your recent chats are listed. Find the specific conversation you want to share. You can scroll through the list or look for a recognizable title if you've named it before. Click the chat to open it on the main screen so you can preview exactly what will be included. Now, look to the top right of the chat window for the share icon. It often appears as a square with an upward arrow or a small link symbol. Click that icon to start the sharing process. This opens a preview so you can confirm you've selected the right conversation. A preview window will appear with a handful of options. Here, you can rename the chat to make the shared link clearer for your audience. Especially helpful if the default title isn't descriptive. You can also choose to share it anonymously. Selecting anonymous sharing removes personal identifiers from the shared page. Before proceeding, take a moment to scan the content for anything private and adjust what you share accordingly. When everything looks good, click Copy Link. This copies the unique URL for that conversation to your clipboard. You'll usually see a quick confirmation that the link has been copied. From here, you can paste the link into a message, document, or anywhere you need others to view the conversation. That's all there is to it. You now know how to share a ChatGPT conversation link quickly, clearly, and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.